Morning people, and I just woke up and it's amazing weather. It's super sunny, almost no clouds. It looks amazing. My eyes are still a bit swollen. The ground is a bit hard, especially with my weight, and it's humid inside just because how waterproof the tent is. We're gonna be heading to like Door, that direction, so Dorset direction. We're gonna be staying there tonight somewhere, and then tomorrow we're heading back to home, probably in the evening. So guys, stay tuned and look at these shots, and then let's go to town, grab some food. So the frame that you just seen, that was from Salcombe or something like this. I can't say it right, but yeah, that's in Devon. Right now we're heading to the Door, and there's another place on the way on the Portland Isle. You'll see that next. Currently the weather is really unpredictable, so it is sunny, then cloudy, sunny, then cloudy. Luckily we have no rain, and right now we're heading to Door, and then we're gonna stop at another place called Portland Isle, which has another rock on the seaside, which will look pretty cool for some photos and some shots. Just stopped for a quick coffee, knackered of driving, almost 5 hours driving today, and then tomorrow afternoon we're gonna be heading back home. That'll be another 4.5 hours drive. So guys, for now, stay tuned and let's get to Portland. We got to this destination and I managed to get insanely good photos, but unfortunately there is a Royal Navy Research Center behind me, and as soon as I flew my drone they asked me to land it down. So unfortunately we can't fly the drone here, but we did get some dope photos. But yeah, this is the place. I will show you just some shots from the camera, but unfortunately no drone footage. So guys, stay tuned. This is the end of day 6. We've just been to the Door. Really awesome place, but unfortunately you can't fly drones, but I managed to find a spot where you could fly it and sneak in. Well, it said you can't fly drones at the top. Right where the Door was, there was signs, but there was no signs of not flying drones. So I flew the drone, got some dope shots as you see. So for today, that's it. We can't stay next to the Door because it's car park is closing at 9 o'clock and you can't stay there overnight or camp or anything like this. So we just parked somewhere on the road. We're staying in the car today again, and then tomorrow we're going to a town called Poole. It's P-O-O-L-E. It's about 15-20 minutes away from here. It's a cruise liner city thing. I'm not sure what it is, but it looks really cool on the photos, and it's really close for us. And that's tomorrow. We're spending half a day there, and then we're heading back home. So guys, for today, see you later, good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.